Caillou, what's that funny noise? Caillou, what's that funny noise? Adapted from the animated series. It was time for bed. Mommy tucked Caillou in and kissed him good night. Sleep well, Caillou. See you in the morning. Mummy turned out the light and closed the door. Caillou closed his eyes and tried to sleep, but he heard a funny scratching noise in his room, and he saw shadows on his blanket. Caillou reached for the flashlight from his night table drawer. Caillou called, "Mommy!" Mommy came right away. "What's the matter, Caillou?" He pointed at the shapes on his bed. "Monsters, Mommy, look!" Mommy looked at his bed, and then she looked at the window. "Those are just shadows from the window," she told Caillou. Caillou felt better, but what about the noise? "Listen," he whispered to Mummy. "There's a monster going scritch, scritch, scritch." "Let me take a look, Caillou," Mommy said. Mommy?
Downstairs?
Yes. Mommy searched all around the room. She also checked in the closet. "There aren't any monsters here, Caillou," Mommy said. "Monsters are just make-believe." Mommy went back to bed. Caillou sang a little song. "I'm not afraid of monsters. I'm not afraid of monsters." Suddenly the scritch-scratch sound began again. Caillou jumped up and got out of bed. Something soft fell on top of him. Caillou called out for Daddy. Daddy turned on the light. The soft thing was only Caillou's toy, Snaky. "But there's a real monster here, too," Caillou insisted. Daddy had a good look around the room. "There's nothing here, Caillou. Let's play your music box to help you fall asleep." Caillou tried to settle down. Soon the music stopped and the scritch, scratch, scritch began again. Caillou called out, "Mommy, Daddy, the monster's here!" Caillou jumped out of bed. The bedroom door opened. Caillou saw something in the doorway. Caillou thought it was a monster with two heads. Then Daddy turned on the light. It wasn't a monster at all. It was just Mommy and Daddy standing together in the doorway. "But what about that scratching noise?" "Look, Caillou," Daddy explained. "The wind has been making the tree branches hit the window. That's what the funny noise was." Mommy said, "Sometimes ordinary things can seem scary until you know what they are." Just then, something came rushing out from under the bed. It was brown, and it made crackling noises. It was Gilbert in a paper bag. "That's not a monster," laughed Caillou. "That's just my cat." "You'll be able to sleep fine now," said Mommy. "Gilbert is their cat, and he is gray." "You'll be able to sleep fine now," said Mommy. "Here, Caillou," said Daddy. "Teddy will help you sleep."
Who's Teddy?
His teddy bear. Daddy put Teddy on Caillou's shoulders. Teddy's paws were covering Caillou's ears. No more funny noises. Just Caillou and Teddy tucked into bed. "Night, Daddy. Night, Bobby, said Caillou. Night, night, Teddy. Soon he was fast asleep. The copyright was 2009 from Chouette Publishing. This has been Caillou. What's that funny noise? I'm Rachel's mom. Thank you for listening.